Ready? Frankie, what is this that you made?
It's a bird seed.
It's a bird feeder? It's bird seed? So how did you make it?
I put some peanut butter on it.
You put peanut butter on it and then you put the bird seed on the peanut butter?
Yeah.
So should we go hang this up somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna hang this up outside, but before, it's just a smidge chilly. So let's get your sweatshirt on.
Good call.
Now the question is, where should we hang this up?
Charge for it.
So where would you like to hang this? Look up, like, has to be low enough where Mom and Dad could reach it, but high enough where the birds are gonna feel comfortable eating.
That's a good point.
And preferably we're even better where we can see it from the window.
No, absolutely.
Look, what's happening here?
Actually,
I don't know.
Frankie,
Oh.
how about on this hanging basket thing? Frank, you wanna hang it up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or even like on the knot guy right there, but I don't know.
No, it's kind of fun.
At least less likely for squirrels. Can you reach? How about this? Give it to Frank and then lift her up.
Oh, you get to hang it up.
She's the couple of feet you need. All right, Frank.
Brilliant idea. Loop it around.
Can you-
I can't see a thing.
She's got it. Oh, you're gonna need another foot.
Another foot?
You-
I'm on my tiptoes.
I mean, lift her in the air. Okay, here. I'll do it. I'll trade you.
Okay.
Can you lower her, Frank? Good. Like this. Are you ready? There you are.
Oh.
Yeah, it's underneath, so. Did you do it? No. Okay. Close. Hold on. You ready? Yeah, we're doing hips. Oh, God's strength. You better
Close. Other way around. Yes. Yes! Oh my gosh! And I didn't get it. I was like this.
Mama, you have one job.
Oh, well there it is, folks. Sorry.
Mama needs to upgrade her camera skills.
Oh, God.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, sweet. Can you do the other side?
Actually,
That's perfect.
that was great, Frank.
My little rock star.
You really braid very quickly. I'm impressed. And they're nice loose braids because you just want them out of the way,
for
but
sleep, I want it loose.
Don't
I do tight braids during the day.
I think braids are great. Maybe not on Da, but on Frankie. But Frankie braids are amazing.
It's
You-
very hard to spit.
You rock the braids, Frank.
She does rock the braids.
I don't know if that's a skill, but you got it. Sure. I'll hold your hand.
Yeah, I do tight braids during the day when I'm doing, like, you know, day braids, but I try to do it loose at night.
Yeah.
That's why I don't do a hairband up here at night.
Yeah, I see.
I want a bonbon.
We'll do bun buns in the morning. It's good to give your hair a break from the buns.
Yeah, you're going to be swimming in the morning. You're going to want some buns.
Yeah.
All done. All right, Frank. I don't know if we're going to read a story or what we're going to do, but I think we definitely have to say goodnight.
Are we gonna read preschool?
Oh, right. Okay.
So this week in preschool, I really love that they gave me this. It gives me an idea what they do. So the themes were Earth Day. What did you learn about Earth Day?
I don't know.
You don't know.
You don't remember? Think about it. What did you do?
Yeah, what'd you do for Earth Day?
I do not.
Okay. Is it important to keep the earth healthy and clean?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Songs we sang down at the dump. I'll have to YouTube that one. I've never heard of that one.
Down at the
Down
dump.
at the dump, where the flies fly.
Yeah, where all the garbage collects. I don't know.
I wonder how that song goes. They did a number of shapes worksheet for portfolio. The number 3, they traced and colored, cut and glued circles and colored in. They used Dixie cups to trace a circle and used paint to color them in.
Oh, that's cool.
Other activities, we went on a garbage day pickup.
Oh.
I probably shouldn't say the teacher's name, so teacher's class on Friday. We also completed our 5 senses activity on our walk. We played a game all about taking care of our planet.
Did you take care of our planet, Frank? Thank you. I appreciate that. I really do. You made the planet a little bit better and tickled the belly.
Our projects we worked on, tissue paper earth. I haven't seen that. Bird feeders. And a watercolor picture of the earth.
Oh, did you make a picture of the earth?
Yeah.
Have you seen the earth?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh? It's a big green and blue ball.
Oh.
Yeah.
I just realized they said on Friday for
Oh.
one of the sections, and so that wouldn't have included
Frankie.
Frankie.
Yeah. Okay, so maybe not. That explains
I made
why.
it blue.
You made it blue?
What did you make blue?
Circle.
Oh, you made a blue circle?
Yeah.
The earth.
2 blue circles.
2 blue circles. Well, maybe one was the earth, one was the circle. Well,
That's the
she said
number
the
4,
circles.
Frankie. This is 4. So is it 4 or 2? Are you trying to do 2? Oh, it was 4? Okay, 4.
Gross motor, they played in
Got
Kids Gym.
it.
You
And
got
then in the
it.
park.
Look, Mommy.
Nice.
Got the number 4.
And then a reminder to, as the weather gets nicer, to include a light jacket so they can go to the
4.
park.
Ah, good.
And we have another homework assignment. Do you know what your homework assignment is?
Yeah.
What is your homework assignment? Is
Go
that-
to the park.
Is that it?
No, but that was brilliant.
Did you just try to get Mama to go to the park extra?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The homework assignment is not due till Thursday, so not Tuesday, but Thursday.
Oh.
You have to find something that's a star.
Ooh,
That's going to be a little trickier.
that one's a challenge.
But I was thinking about that. Do you know what you have that's the shape of a star? I shouldn't tell you, but I'm going to tell you.
Don't tell her right away then.
Okay.
You can give me a hint.
WAND.
Ah, indeed. That's a good one. That's an excellent one. Frankie, what do you think?
2.
Sounds good. All right. Well, that was a good report. Sounds like you're getting A's. Sounds good to me. You're passing.
Mommy.
Dummies.
All right, Frankie Jane.
Wait, first say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.